My family may not be perfect. We may not always see eye to eye. But one thing we do agree on, we are for sure family.
Hey guys, it's the Pollywogs here, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be cleaning the guest room and the guest room bathroom. So if you're new to our channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. First, I would like to give you an overview of the guest room so you can see what it's like before we start cleaning. And as you can see, it's a pretty plain room. I don't do a whole lot of decorating here. I am going for more of a beachy theme, with the exception of the duvet that's on there right now. That duvet that I have on the bed is just used as a cover to protect the comforter underneath. So we'll be taking that off today. And here's the bathroom. I was inspired to do the beach theme based on the previous owner's paint. She liked the light blue colors, and funny enough, I didn't really like light blue, but now I am in love with it. So that's where I got the beachy theme idea. And also, as you can see, this room serves as our sewing room as well. So it's a multi-purpose room. If you guys have any beach theme ideas for this room, please leave a comment below. Okay, so right now I'm going to take the duvet cover off the bed, but I need to first figure out what pillows goes with the original comforter. So I'm just looking around, making sure I have all the correct pillows for this comforter set. Some of you may be wondering why I don't have a headboard for this room. We did originally purchase a headboard, but I didn't like the fact that it was in front of the window and you couldn't really open the blinds and let sunlight in. I love natural sunlight, so I decided to take the headboard back. But if you have any alternative headboard solutions, please leave a comment below. I just started using duvet covers about a year ago, and I love it. I like the idea that you can protect your comforter, your expensive comforters, for a very little price. And then also you can change the look up. I like being able to have a different look for different seasons. Let me know if you guys use duvet covers and what do you like about them the most. I really hope this video gives you inspiration to change your guest room around, or just change any room in the house around to get a new look. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just taking all of the blankets and linen off of the bed just to shake off any dust. I don't plan on replacing them right now. I'm just going to take them up just enough to get them straightened out and take off any lint or anything that's on the fitted sheet. You guys will see me doing this a lot. Every time I make up my bed, I always take the tag part and put that towards the wall so that it's not shown from the main view. Do you guys do the same thing? Let me know. Okay, funny story. So this is the second time that I used this comforter for this room, and I couldn't remember how the stripes went. I thought they went long ways, so you'll see me fixing the bed with the stripes going long ways, but something didn't seem right because the sides were too short and then the foot part was too long. So I'm looking at the comforter thinking something's wrong here. So you'll see me switch it up. And once I turned it around, I realized that, okay, yeah, I had it wrong the whole time. It's funny because the pillows go in this same direction. I don't know why I just didn't look at the pillows first. Hey guys, don't forget to check our description for a list of our favorite things. If you click on the items, it will take you straight to the product. Many of you may not know, but I am one of the editors for our channel, and in our list of favorite things are some of the tools I use to edit. They include the Apple iPhone XR, the Apple MacBook Pro, and the Apple Lightning Digital AV adapter. I use the adapter to view the videos from my iPhone on my TV. It just makes it easier to see the videos on a bigger screen. So if you like these products, again, you can find them in the description below. Okay, right here, we're going to use the Roomba to clean the room while I'm dusting. So we're just going to let it do its thing while I dust the room. The Roomba doesn't do this room every day, so it's a little uncoordinated in this room. So you'll see it going back and forth. It's really just trying to scope out or map out the room so that it can clean the entire room. Normally the Roomba is able to go under the bed, but in this room we use this underbed for storage, so it's not able to go all the way underneath the bed. So you'll see it attempting to go under, but it's just being stopped by our storage. Okay guys, so we're using the iRobot Roomba 960 robot vacuum with Wi-Fi connected mapping. Works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets, and hardwood floors. So if you are interested in this particular product, it is in the description below. It'll take you straight to the product. And if you guys would like us to do a review, just leave a comment below. I could have waited for the Roomba to finish this job in the bathroom, but I decided to go over the floors with my Shark vacuum cleaner. My bathroom routine is pretty simple. I always start by cleaning off all of the surface items, wiping off any dirt or dust that might have collected. Then I'll go ahead and clean out the sink. And lastly, I will go ahead and Windex the mirror. Sometimes it takes a lot of motivation to get your guest room and guest room bathroom cleaned, especially if it's not used that frequently. So I am so glad that you guys are here joining me in this cleaning video. This really helps to keep me motivated. Leave a comment and let me know what keeps you motivated. Right here, I'm just using a little bit of dish detergent to help with some water spots that I noticed. Okay, now it's time to tackle the hardest job in the bathroom, in my opinion, which is the toilet. So let me know, guys, if this is the worst part of cleaning the bathroom to you guys, and what are some of your tips for getting your toilet clean. Okay guys, I'm just finishing up the bathroom with a quick mop. I just used some hot water and a little bit of Fabuloso. Okay, so we're using the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. The previous owner used the same product and I just love the results that she got, so we decided to use the same product. I also recommend that if you do have hardwood floors, that you invest in felt adhesive floor pads for your furniture. It helps the chairs and other furniture just glide across the floor without scratching it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really enjoyed spending time with you. Thank you for watching me get this room back together. Like I said before, if you have any tips, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to take a look at some of our favorite things in the description. And as always, we thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, see ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.